Welcome to this moment. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it go. This week, we honored the power of small choices. Change doesn't demand giant leaps. It begins within, in the quiet decisions you make every single day. Breathe in possibility. Breathe out doubt. As you sit here, remind yourself, every small step I take is shaping my tomorrow. Stay here for a moment of silence, simply being. Now, bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Remember, the power of small choices lives within you.